Logan, Ohio, and welcome to another video. Today we have in our trunk a little mystery box. I'm super excited because me and the company I don't name yet, we were some stuff cooking the last couple of months. I'm really excited to give you a big spoiler. I'm still super excited. I'm sorry. I'm looking forward for this video since 5 months now. We are now driving to CB Design, which will wrap the mystery box, and then we're gonna drive somewhere and we're gonna mount the mystery box. And oh guys, I can't wait until you guys will see this, because as you see, I'm smiling through and through because I'm so excited to share. So we're gonna drive now to CB Design for wrapping the mystery box, and I'll catch you there. Wrapping time. So we got our stickers. Now we're heading back to Halle 65. Big shout out to CB Design for helping us out. Alright, so we arrived at Halle 65. Let me turn the engine off first. We now start putting some stickers on our mystery box and mounting the mystery box, and then we unveil finally what's coming next. Alright, so a little short update. We had to go to my place to get some bigger drill because the German concrete seems to be pretty tough, but we're gonna fix that now, and now we go on with the clips. So we did it finally, and I'm very happy that Davis and Corey keep their word, and now they're coming to Germany.
After 4 months in the making.
After 4 months in the making. We're gonna blend in now the mystery box. I'm super excited what will come in future, and I think ADRO did a fantastic job.
Yeah.
And we can't wait to tell you more. This will come on this channel. I'm super excited.
This is for the community.
This is for the community. Yeah. And with that said, guys, thanks so much for watching, and we catch them in the next one. Yeah. Cheers. Bye bye.